Your case has gone to trial. Your attorney has just spent 2 days picking a jury, and now in the courtroom, as the case is just about to get ready, the judge turns to me and says, "Mr. Oginski, are the jurors acceptable?" He then turns to the defense attorney and says, "Counselor, are the jurors acceptable?" Would you like to learn why the judge does this? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. I'm outside in the backyard. It's a beautiful fall day here in Great Neck. You notice the lacrosse goal set up in the back. My son was playing a little bit the other day, and I'm dealing with bugs flying around. But the bottom line answer is that before we go ahead and start the trial, there is a formality. The judge wants to make sure that the jury that we have selected is acceptable to both sides. And if not, he wants to know why not, and he's going to do something about it before we actually get underway. So as a formality, the judge actually asks us, they say, "Mr. Oginski, is the jury acceptable?" And I stand up, I say, "Yes, Your Honor, the jury is acceptable to the plaintiff." Then the defense attorney is asked the same question. "Mr. Defense Attorney, is the jury acceptable?" And in front of the whole courtroom, in front of the jury, he says, "Yes, Your Honor, the jury is acceptable." Now, if the jury is not acceptable, this is not something we really want to address in front of the entire jury and as we begin the trial. Instead, if there's an issue with the jury, the attorneys are then going to address this in private in the judge's chambers, so now it's not in front of the jury and it's not made public. We want to address this before the trial actually starts. So the formality occurs. Is the jury acceptable? Yes, the jury is acceptable. Excellent. Mr. Oginski, call your first witness. And now we go ahead and start the actual trial. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because this happens in every single trial in the state of New York in cases involving medical malpractice, accidents, and even wrongful death matters. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions of your own, and if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.